where East meets West, using a shop-bought breaded chicken patty to create the ultimate Peking chicken burger and 5 spiced wedges. Let's get started. For the 5-spice mix, firstly you'll need a 3-inch cinnamon stick snapped, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of cloves, 2 teaspoons of Szechuan peppercorns, and 5 or 6 whole star anise. In a dry wok, gently toast off the spices. This will bring the oils to the surface, providing a bolder aroma and flavor. Allow to cool, then add a teaspoon of cast sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Finally grind, and then transfer your spice mix to a sterilized jar for up to 6 months. Using King Edward's or Maris Piper potatoes, wash, peel, and slice into wedges. Place in a bowl, lightly massage in oil, then pop them into the air fryer on 210 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the chicken patty according to the manufacturer's instructions. To assemble the burger, pour some Peking sauce on the base of the lightly toasted brioche bun. Next, layer on the crisp iceberg lettuce. Pop the breaded chicken fillet on top, then add a little more Taishon Peking sauce. This will help prevent slipping. Now for the spring onion, a few thin slices of chili, and a small handful of fresh coriander. Crown the burger with the top of the bun. Remove the potato wedges from the air fryer and season with the homemade 5-spice. Garnish with spring onions, chili, and coriander. Wow, that's absolutely delish.